Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in this video I'll be discussing about next old question discussion, question from old question of data structure. So this question has been asked in 2074 Bhadra, and this question is for 10 marks. Okay, so this is a numerical question. So the question is, what is selection sort, and then sort number given is 40, 90, 20, minus 10, 30, and then 5, 60, 180 using selection sort. Okay, so let's first define what is selection sort. I think this will be of 2 marks and the remaining will be of 8 marks. Okay, so you should not skip this type of questions. So let's first define selection sort. So we can write selection sort is a simple algorithm that works by repeatedly selecting the largest or smallest. Okay, so you can sort either in ascending or descending order, largest or smallest element from the unsorted portion of the list and moving it to sorted portion of list. Okay, so suppose this is a list of elements, so we are going to see one by one, and then we are going to place this in sorted list, and this will be the unsorted list. Okay, so let's go to the numerical part first. Okay, so let's write the question again. So the question was, we have to sort 40, 90, 20, minus 10, 30, 5, 60, 100, 80. Yeah, that's all. So I'll show you one of the easy methods. So there are different methods you can follow. So let's go to step 1 first. Step 1 means iteration 1. Okay, if you write the algorithm, it is iteration 1. So step 1, we have 40, 90, 20, minus 10, 30, 5, 60, 100 and 80. So here first of all, let's see this element. So we have to compare this element, the element in this place, with all other elements. Okay, so let's compare 40, 90. So what we are going to do, if this element is we'll see, take this element, and if the next element is smallest than this, we are going to swap it. Okay, 40, 90, no, 90 is greater. 40, 20, yeah, it is less. So 20, 90, 40, minus 10, 30, 5, 60, 100 and 80. Again we have to compare. So I have compared this with this. Now let's compare this with this element. So it is minus 10. Okay, we'll swap it because minus 10 is smaller than 20. Minus 10, 90, 40, 20, 30, 5, 60, 100 and 80. Now again minus 10 with 30, no. Minus 10 with 5, no, because minus 10 is smallest. Minus 10 with 60, no. Minus 10 with 100, no. Minus 10 with 80, no. Okay, so this is the step 1. Okay, let's go to step 2. So step 2, again the new array will be minus 10, 90, 40, 20, 30, 5, 60, 100 and 80. So as I told in definition, sorted and unsorted. So this is the sorted array. All these are unsorted. Now we are going to compare from here. Okay, so again we'll take this position and we'll compare and swap accordingly. So 90, 40. Yes, 40 is the smallest. So minus 10 it will be as it is. 40, 90, 20, 30, 5, 60, 100 and 80. Let's again check this with 20. Okay, it is smallest, so minus 10 as it is. 20, 90, 40, 30, 5, 60, 100, 80. Again check. Minus 20 with 30. No. Minus 20 with 5. Yes, 5 is the smallest. So new will be minus 10, 5, 90, 40, 30, 20, 60, 100 and 80. So now I think 5 is the smallest. So we will go for further checking, but 5 will remain there. Okay. Now these two are in the sorted array and this is the unsorted array. Okay. So let's go to step 3. So the new element array is 10, minus 10, 5, 90, 40, 30, 20, 60, 100 and 80. Okay, so these two we have already compared. So let's start with here. 90 with 40. No. 90 with 40. Yes. So minus 10, 5, 40, 90, 30, 20, 60, 100 and 80. Again 40 with 30. Yes. Minus 10, 5, 30, 90, 40, 20, 60, 100 and 80. Okay, 30 with 20. Yes. Minus 10, 5, 20, 90, 40, 30, 60, 100 and 80. Again 20 with other, 60, 180. No. 20 is the smallest among them. Now this will come under the sorted array. Okay. So step 4, minus 10, 5, 20, 90, 40, 30, 60, 100 and 80. So we'll start with here, from here. Okay. So 90 with 40. Yes. Minus 10, 5, 20, 40, 90, 30, 60, 100 and 80. Okay. Again 40 with 30. Yes. Minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 90, 40, 60, 100 and 80. Now 30 with 60. No. 30 with 100. No. 30 with 80. No. That's it. Okay, I'll just scroll this a bit. Okay, so we are here. Fine. So okay, so step 5 I'll write here. Okay, so last array is minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 90, 40, 60, 100 and 80. So all these 4 I think are sorted. Yeah. So let's start with here. So 90 with 40. Yes, it will be swapped. So minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 40. You can use arrow like this. Okay, to denote we are going to sort this. Where was I? Yeah, 40, 90, 60, 100 and 80. Now 40 with 60. No. 40 with 100. No. 40 with 80. No. So that's it. In 2 iterations we are getting this. Let's go to step 6. Minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 90, 60, 100 and 80. So I think till this we have sorted. Yeah. So let's compare 90 with 60. Yes, it is going to be swapped. So minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 60 comes here, 90 goes there, 100 and 80. Let's take 60 with 100. No. 60 with 80. No. So that's all for this step. Step 7. So we have swapped till here. Yeah. Minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 60. Let's check 90 and 100. 90 is the smallest, so no swapping. 90 with 80. Yeah, 80 is. So 80, 100 and 90. That's all for step 7. Let's go to step 8. So we have minus 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 80 in our sorted list. Let's check 100 with 90. Yes, it is the smallest. 90 is smaller than 100. So we have to swap it. Fine, that's all. So if you see here, we have taken 8 steps. Okay, so let me count the number of elements. So we can count any element. If you see in question, the number of element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what we got here, for 9 elements we need 9 minus 1 steps to solve the question. That's why it took 8 steps. Okay, so if you are going to write the algorithm or code for this, so we have to just take this as I and take this as J, and we are going to swap it. Fine. So let's see if in another question, if some algorithm or some steps has been asked, so I'll explain that also. I hope you got this numerical. So in next video I'll come up with some other numerical. Till then, stay safe and thank you.